Of the X1 Carbon, I thought this was common knowledge, but did you know that the AMS actually has desiccant bags underneath the spools? In the AMS, in both sides, there's two vents. You have to open them. They're taped down first from the manufacturer. You pop them off, and inside is actually a desiccant bag. But did you know this desiccant bag is sealed and you have to open it up and put it inside? Believe it or not, a lot of people don't realize that. So let's crack it open. We get it out of the bag, throw this away, keep this, and put it in here. Put the vent back on without the tape. I'll take the tape off afterwards. Very hard to do this one hand. And now you're all set. So now this becomes a dryer box, sort of. Well, it'll keep the interior moisture free, and you can actually see that right here. Boom, if it focuses. There you go. Hope this helps. Again, thought this was common knowledge, but evidently it's not. Take the plastic off. Empty it out, make it work.